In this video, I will show you how to create Snack Bag Mockup.
It's not a game, it's a race.
Choose Object Selection. Choose Select. Choose Subject. Press Ctrl J. Choose Clipping Mask. Choose Multiply. Choose Blending option. Hold Alt press. Choose Channel. Choose Curve. Don't forget to like this video and thanks for watching.